The whole thing's been blown out of proportion, Mthokozisi's camp. Idol's runner-up, Mthokozisi Ndaba's management have set the record straight on claims that the singer is a sore loser, after he declined all media interviews and did not attend a post-finale press conference. After Mthokozisi lost out on the coveted Idol's crown to 17-year-old Paxton Feelies, it was also confirmed at SUBCRIBE that he was receiving assistance to help deal with coming second. He is receiving counseling, however it is not as dramatic as people may think it is. He just respectfully asked for some time and space to compose himself, and when he's ready he'll let us know, said Kim Toppin. Kim added that she has seen Mthokozisi since Sunday night's finale and that the counseling was for the entire Idol's journey, not just as a result of Sunday night's finale. I think a lot of people are blowing this out of proportion. He's obviously upset because he's been working hard towards an end goal and naturally he was disappointed. At this stage, after being in the spotlight for so long, he just wants to breathe, and I think that's a natural and human response to have after what he's gone through. Insiders also told SUBCRIBE that during the run-up to the finale, Mthokozisi mentioned that if he did not win, he would not be doing any media interviews. SUBCRIBE's insiders said that Mthokozisi felt the night belonged to the winner.